Hi everyone, this is an episode of Beginner to Beginner. This will be a complete newbie, like me. Not Bob, he's an expert in getting hit. On the EUC, or Electronic Unicycle, the Inmotion 8 series. I don't know exactly which 8 it is. Let me tell you, this thing is a workout. I already did all the videos, and this is actually an intro after the fact. But anyways, let's get to it. Almost all YouTube videos are basically people doing awesome shit. Like you watch Instagram and people are doing amazing stuff on these EUCs, electronic unicycles, right? So this is my first one, and let me tell you, the practice that is involved in getting to that level is insane. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually bring the audience, you, through the process of from 0 to hero. So here it is, the Inmotion something 8, my first EUC. I just got it today and I'm sitting in the box. Protective gear, G-force, I don't know, high impact. Ow. Yeah, falling sucks and you will do a lot of it, trust me. So when you invest in something like this, invest in safety gear, because broken bones suck. It takes years to heal. Not joking. Anyways, let's start unboxing this thing, right? So first thing, you turn it sideways and you pull the damn thing out, right? Because it's a box inside of a box. Voila. All right. Yeah, I'm too sober for this. All right. Oh. This sticks into this, because the male part goes into the female part. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah, it goes in so well. Okay. Bing. It's a giant frisbee! Oh my god! It's really heavy too. This must be a carry case. Or a car cover. Yeah. I got a car cover! Ha ha ha! Awesome! Hey, let's get this, this stuff out. Okay. So, oh my god! Ah! My finger got stuck in there. Yeah, don't do that. Anyways, so this is a wheel. Yep. And it basically does this stuff. And it makes you fall down a lot, right? A real lot. Foot pedals come out. Like that. Woohoo! Alright everyone, this is the EUC. See? I guess E, I don't know. Whatever. I'm not gonna make a joke. Alright, so this is day 1 of how to suck less, I guess, right? So the vehicle does self-balance. Like it's basically, see? I mean, it doesn't balance this way or anything, but it's balancing forward and backwards. So it's pretty, you know, smart, right? Turn it off, and now it'll fall over, right? So you don't want that. Ah, there we go. Now it's on again. See? So, oh, damn. Okay. Yeah, this thing has got some power, right? Yeah, I'm next to a safe spot, basically, to practice this out. I mean, I probably don't need a helmet today, but, you know, safety gear is always important, right? Elbow pads, knee pads, shin guards. I've even seen people who need chest pads. So, basically, you just grab the thing down, put the handles down. Mounting, from what people tell me, dominant foot, right? You get your foot on there and you put it down. Now this is what everybody's been telling me. I'm just transferring knowledge that, not from experience yet, this is from other people's experience. And whoops, see? You're gonna look like an idiot at first. That's why you have a fence or something, right? And lean forward and go. Yeah, see? And you fall down. Make sure you get your dominant, I'm left-handed, so make sure you get your dominant hand over there. Alright, let's try going this way. So I can watch people as they start saying, what the hell's wrong with this guy? Yeah, what the hell's he doing? Okay, so put your foot in there, lean, clench your like, I don't know, clench your, there you go, clench your hips, right? And that's it. So you should be able to balance like that, right? So hold on to a wall or a fence or a person and just get on the board, right? And lean forward. Preferably not on gravel, but this was the best location for me with the least amount of people, you know, gawking, asking stupid questions. Hey, what's that? You know, you want a distraction-free environment that you can practice with without having to answer questions. So let's see. Let me try to get this going, right? On, boom. So hands up, lean. So hands up, balance, and go. And fall. Did you just tell me to be careful? Hey, whoa, whoa, whoa. Stop, stop, stop. No, don't do that. Stop, stop. Stop, stop. Yeah, it's possessed. Alright, let's do this again, right? Alright. See, this is what the learning practice, the learning part looks like. You're basically you're gonna embarrass yourself. Don't be afraid to fail. Because if you're afraid to fail, you're never gonna succeed. Now, something's wrong with this. Did you just turn off? You did. Okay, you're on now. Alright, let's get going. So, oops. Practice. Just lean against the thing and go. No, don't do that. Okay, let's do this again. Why did you turn off? Okay. There we go. I can't do this for the life of me. Am I even recording? So about an hour has passed on the EUC practicing on day one. Let's see how it goes. And so ends day one of beginner to beginner. Yeah, because I'm a newbie too. Let's see how this works. Huh? Okay, whoops. Not too stable on the camera. Oh, that's how you save too. Here we go. So after about an hour and a half of falling, struggling, looking like a complete idiot, I finally have learned how to at least go forward. I'm only going like 5 or 6 miles an hour. Okay, so, and I got one hell of a workout, that's for sure. Holy cow. So, there's the end of the video. Have a great, see you tomorrow for day 2.